Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do some empties. I do have a few things here, and I actually have one candle. We might do that last. Maybe I'll go from the little things to the bigger things. And so we're going to start with some perfume samples. I used Miss Dior. Let me grab my glasses so I can read these when I need to. I can read this one. This one's just plain Miss Dior. No, Blooming Bouquet. Smells really nice. I need a Miss Dior. I love the Blooming Bouquet, and I also love the original. And I can tell there is a difference, of course. I like both. So that's kind of on this list I have to pick up one day. Prada Candy. I've always loved Prada Candy. That one smells so good. And I did enjoy that one. Clinique My Happy. I wore Clinique for years, and when I said years, I mean years. It was the only perfume I wore. Didn't wear anything else until I could no longer smell it. I have a bottle of it still, but I didn't have any of the other, you know, branch offs, whatever you call them. I'm not that versed in perfume. But this My Happy, it says Lily of the Beach. It was okay. I thought it smelled pretty good. And here's another Clinique My Happy, and it's Blue Sky Neroli. I didn't like this one, and it must be the neroli part. This one was not a favorite, and I wouldn't purchase that one. And my last perfume is Patchouli Citrus. Let me see if I can read some finer print here. The 7 Virtues. This was actually okay. Again, not my favorite. The initial spray, I liked it. When it kind of died down, it was just okay. I wouldn't purchase that one personally. I used this Happy Dance Whipped Body Butter. It was okay. I didn't find anything special about it. It was just okay. I had a little soap that I had in my shower that I purchased from a local vendor at my local farmer's market here in Camden, South Carolina. She's called Swirling Suds, and the fragrance was lilac. It was just a little small one. She does have a website. Let me put this up here and see if you guys are interested. I don't know, you know, all the particulars, but she is local here to me. She's in Rembert, which is about a mile and 2 miles down the road. It is not far. It's just right down the road in the country. When we say country, that's country there. That's all farmland. So that's where she lives. Now, I've used some face masks. I use this EVIO Skin Hydrogel Eye Therapy. These are those gel for under the eyes, the little gel patches. Pink Perspective. It was okay. I find I don't really like these jellies. This one was okay. It stuck, and it seemed to work all right on me. But I mean, it was okay. It was okay. And then this, I think it was Cala, C-A-L-A, Begin Anew Essence Face Mask, Revitalizing and Firming. I think this came from Shop Miss A. It was fine. It's one, you know, I can't really tell a big difference, but it was okay. I enjoyed it. I would buy that again. This one, I think also come from Shop Miss A. I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. This is the Spa-scriptions Wellness 101 Glowing Hydrogel Face Mask. I don't like the gel face mask. It would not stay on my face. It actually was broken, and some pieces had broken off and was down in the thing. I didn't like this one at all. I think I got it from Shop Miss A. I'm not sure where I got this from, but I'm going to pay more attention if they say hydrogel, if they're that jelly. I don't think I like the jelly. Yeah, this one, I barely had it on. It wouldn't stay on my face. I had things to do. I wasn't going to lay down just to put this mask on. I had other things to do. So, yeah. I mean, yeah. I used up some Q-tip cotton rounds. So, there we go. Now, I got a couple little things of makeup here. I used up my MAC paint pot in Painterly. Look at there. Let's see if I can. There you go. It is all used up. I'm going to clean this out, keep this jar, because I'm going to start doing some frankening and things like that, repotting things, and this jar will be great to house some things. Also, I'm throwing this away, the Ciate Glitter Flip holographic liquid lipstick in Infamous. It's all dried out. It's all dried out. I don't need to, there's nothing to use up because it's all dried out. It didn't smell. So, trash. Trash, trash, trash. Let's do some Bath and Body Works. I just have a few things. Believe it or not, I actually have some things. I have my Bath and Body Works Black Cherry Mallow shower gel. Isn't that a pretty bottle? Let's see, are there notes on this one? Because I don't see notes on this one. It does not have notes. How about that? So I guess it's black cherry wine flavor. It smells very nice. I like it. I enjoyed using this. I had no problems using it up. I am glad it's gone because I used it exclusively for quite a while so I could get it used up. So yeah. Oh, look, it kind of matches my Starbucks cup. Herbal tea today. Yummy. But there we go. Yeah, kind of matches my Starbucks. Also, kind of in that same vein, this little body spray. This is the Gingham Vibrant. Let's see if it has notes, because it is a small body spray. It does not have notes, but I see violets and blackberries on there. It smelled really nice. Yes, this one, I really enjoyed the scent of this. I would buy this in like full sizes and in other things. And I'm debating, do I need to keep, does this come apart? I don't think so. We're going to get rid of it. I was thinking if that came apart, it'd be great to put like toners in or something, you know, but yeah, throw that away. And then I used a body lotion. I think I need to add this. Part of my 25 and 25 is my lotions. I wanted to use all the lotions. I prefer creams. So I have a few lotions in my stash that really need to go. And I did use one. This was Caribbean Escape. It smelled really good. I enjoyed using this. An Island Breeze of fresh pineapple, cassava melon, and creamy coconut. Yeah, I liked it. It does have an orchid on the front though, but it doesn't have an orchid listed. But I'm going to keep that for my 25 and 25. So I'm going to keep that over there. Now, last, wax. I have some wax melts. I don't know if you've heard of a store called Ollie's Discount. There is one, like, if you leave my neighborhood, cross the main street, it's just across the street over there. They have wax melts. They have candles. I need to go over there and see what I can find. I haven't been in a while. I need to make a run. But I have a bunch of wax melts that I have used from there. This one, we'll do this one first. I think this is Febreze. Let me pull the price tag off. Yeah. This one's Febreze. Guava and vanilla. This was $1. Let me see if I can get that. This actually smelled pretty good, but it really smelled like air freshener. Yeah, it smells really good. I like the guava. I'm a big fan of guava. I fell in love with guava when I lived in Miami. Oh. But this one, the guava and the vanilla together smells like air freshener. But I was okay with that. You know, I could smell it throughout my house. It wasn't too bad. Next, I think this one was $1. This is Fusion Scented Wax Cubes, and it's in Seize the Day. I have never heard of this brand. Doesn't matter. It was at Aldi. Now, this one smells like laundry detergent or fabric softener, maybe. Straight up fabric softener. Yeah, it is. I didn't mind it though. It was fine with me. But yeah, that's fabric softener. Next, Real Living. This one was $1.50. And it's Sea Salt Citron. Let's see if we can get that in focus for you. I'm not 100% sure it is. I think so. This one is not as strong. It does smell like salty lemons to me. But not real strong, so it was pretty good. This one I liked. This one didn't remind me of fabric softener or air freshener. Yeah, this one was nice. So there we go. This one is Sensationals in Island Time. There we go. $1.50 for this. This one is very fruity. I kind of smell melon, maybe papaya. Yeah, maybe it's more papaya, more a papaya kind of scent, or a maybe mango. It's very fruity. It's a fruit scent. And then this last one, I'm gonna pull the. Yeah, I'm gonna show it to you first. This is Sun-Kissed Coconut. Let me see if I can read the name from the back. Hold on, because this one, it's got an address, but it's just an import company. Let's see. Ambient something. Ambi Escape, I think is what that says. This is it. Sun-Kissed Coconut. This, I fell in love with it. I hated to see it get used up. This smells like vacation. This smells like beach. It's got a hint of sunscreen in there, you know, kind of gives you those vibes, like those copper tone vibes, but not strong. It's not strong. There's a hint of it in there. I smell coconut. This smells like beach. This smells like vacation. I hope to find some more of this. I don't know. Ollie is a discount, and they do closeouts. They buy out stuff. But oh man, I'm gonna try to look this one up, because I would pay full price for this one. This one would be my signature scent. I liked it so well. I think I'm gonna look it up after we're done. Oh, it smells so good. Sun-Kissed Coconut, and yes indeed. It smells like that picture. Absolutely. You look at that picture and that's what you're smelling. It's delicious. Last thing I have, oh, and I didn't bring the topper in here. This is from Kirkton House from Aldi. And this is one of the last candles I purchased. And when I purchased this one, I set it on my coffee bar just kind of for decoration. And I was doing some things around my coffee bar, cleaning, and I'm like, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and burn that. It'll be nice to smell like a cappuccino scent, because I can't remember if it's got the actual, let's see if the bottom tells me. Dirty Chai Latte. That's what this is. Dirty Chai Latte. And I poured the wax out. Sorry, it had just a little bit left in it, and I thought, I don't want to melt all that. I'm just going to pour it out and then clean this out. So that's why it looks like it does. This burned like crap. It was horrible burning. Well, you can see the aftermath here. When I stick my nose in it, I can smell chai latte. I mean, I really do. It smells chai latte if you stick your nose in it. When it's burning, I didn't smell anything. Nothing at all. It didn't have any scent. I mean, nothing. You couldn't smell it anywhere in my house. Nothing. So, I'm going to clean the cup out. I don't know if I'll use it eventually to drink out of, or I was thinking more putting little flower arrangements in it, and that's probably what I'll do, because I don't know if I want to drink out of this. But I mean, I don't have a clear glass mug, but I'm thinking more decoration. But yeah, Kirkton House, I will not buy any more of those candles unless it has an amazing container that they come in, and then I'll be buying it for the container and not the candle. They did gnomes last time I was at Aldi, which I don't go as often as I used to. Last time I was at Aldi, they had the gnomes candles, and they look so cheap. Nothing like the Huntington Home ones. They look so cheap, and in the little flap where they're setting, there was, I bet you, at least 10 in there broken. And I'm like, it's just, they're going cheaper quality, cheaper made, and you can't smell them when they burn. So I'm not going to waste any money on something that I can't smell while it's burning, because that's the enjoyment I get out of a candle. I want to smell it. I don't burn it for the flame. That's why I don't mind wax melts and using my little wax melter now. I do it for the smell, not to watch a flame on a candle burn. So this will be probably, I'm about 99% sure this will be the last candle you will see from Kirkton House. And yeah, I don't think they make Huntington Home anymore. I'm starting to throw it in the trash. I'll keep that, but I'll do something else with it. So that's it. That's my empties. I will do another empties when I have another bunch to show you. I'm not going to do them every month because I don't always have enough that's worth filming a video for. But I'm hoping to, I need to really get in here and use these products and really use them up. So I'm trying. I'm so careful with my items. I really am. That I'm very light-handed, I think. So that's my problem. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. So thanks for spending some time with me, and I'll see y'all next time.